Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to learn a poem entitled A Poison Tree by William Blake. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath and my wrath did end. Wrath, if you do not know what it is, it means anger. So, this means that the persona was angry with his friend. However, he talked it out with his friend and this ended their fight. I was angry with my foe. I told it not, and my wrath did grow. This means that he got angry at another person, and this time it was his enemy. He did not discuss the problem with the enemy, and guess what happened? The anger he had in him became bigger. And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears. Now, what do these sentences mean? His fear was actually feeding his anger to grow, becoming even worse than before. And I sun it with smiles and with soft, deceitful wiles. The next two lines mean that he pretended to be nice to his foe, complete with smiles and all, but in actual fact, he did not like the enemy. Well, do you think it is right for him to behave this way? No, no, no. Definitely not right. Stanza 3 now. And it grew both day and night, till it bore an apple bright. The tree, which is an imagery here, kept growing bigger every day. It means that the persona became even angrier each day. The tree finally yielded or bore a fruit, probably from the fears, resentment, sarcasm, and hatred that he fed to it each day. And my foe beheld it shine, and he knew that it was mine. The foe saw this apple and knew that it belonged to the persona. This stanza shows how persistent the persona was to get his foe. Read lines 1 and 2 now. Line 1 and 2 means that his foe went to the garden to steal the fruit, the apple. He went there at night when it was dark. The next two lines, in the morning glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree. The last two lines indicate how glad the persona was the next morning when he saw his foe lying under the tree, already dead. Now, what do you think of the poem? It speaks of anger, hatred, and revenge, the catastrophic effects of unexpressed anger. This poem captures the damage that anger does to the heart, where it nourishes and becomes a poison. That is the end. Now, it is time for you to get to the attached questions and answer them. Then submit the work to me by Tuesday, 28th of April 2020, 10 a.m. Thank you.